One of the biggest achievements of Bitcoin in 2021 was the arrival of institutional investors. Tesla, TSLA, bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, BTC, and Wall Street banks like JP Morgan Chase, JPM, and Morgan Stanley, MS, as well as hedge funds, started setting aside huge assets to Bitcoin that year. The arrival obviously indicated prosperity, as the mainstream acceptance could now flourish, but it did a little more than it. The institutional investments hiked the market rate to the highest it had ever been. Statistics show that the price grew as much as 185% that year. Nevertheless, these institutional investors haven't been a pleasant experience at the time of decline. The investors have made sure to keep the proportion of the crypto market to the stock market so staunch that even a slight fall could cause a great damage. A Genesis trading report suggested that the influx of institutional interest in BTC, which started to pick up in early 2020 with public declarations of interest from stalwarts of traditional investing such as Paul Tudor Jones and Renaissance Technologies, coincides with a sustained jump in the 60-day correlation between BTC and the S&P 500.